Hi, I'm Mark Mullins, and I'm joined here today by Michelle Mendoza. Before joining us at Fluke Networks, Michelle, you were the supervisor at an air separation plant.
That's right, Mark. And while I was there, one of the critical aspects of keeping our plant running was our industrial automation control system. These systems run on industrial Ethernet and are becoming the most common way of controlling complex manufacturing processes. But in these harsh environments with electrical noise, moisture, temperature extremes, and vibration, the cabling can become a point of failure.
Well, exactly, and research has shown that more than half of the industrial Ethernet failures are the result of cabling problems.
Wow. As a supervisor, one of my top goals was to prevent plant upsets. So how can I make sure that cabling problems don't lead to plant upsets and downtime?
Well, that's where cable testers like this one come in. They check the cabling to ensure that it's been connected properly.
I can see how that would make startup easier, but how about preventing problems?
Well, they also measure a number of electrical parameters that can help you predict and prevent future issues. Industrial Ethernet is designed to run well, even in the face of problems. But if they get too great, like a little too high temperature, a little too much moisture, a little too much vibration, suddenly the whole thing can shut down.
And then how does the tester work?
Well, the tool makes more than a dozen different physical measurements, but the result is a simple pass or fail. And then if you do have a failure, it'll have simple diagnostics to help you pinpoint the problem and get back up and running fast.
Thanks, Mark. To learn more, visit our website, flukenetworks.com/industrial, and look out for our next video with more on industrial Ethernet troubleshooting.